So here's how to cancel order and get refund on Temu. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Temu application. After that, here you have to simply click on the U option at the bottom of the screen. Now here at this interface at the top, you will be able to view the option of your orders. Click on this your orders option. Here, as you can see, you will be able to view the processing order, shipped orders and delivered order details. Now click on the processing orders option. Then here, if you made a purchase, you will be able to view the option to cancel your order. Click on the cancel order option. After cancelling your order, now you will be able to view the option to get refund. Click on the get refund option to get your refund. Now you will be credited the amount of your order on your Temu account. You can simply use this amount to make purchases on Temu, or you can also transfer this amount to your bank account. So that's how to cancel and get refund on Temu.